Hi, this is an unboxing of the Midea window AC reinvented. This is a U-shape air conditioner that will fit in the window, but that the compressor and the front module are separated. And that was my old one. That was the quietest on the market when I bought it from Haier. This is very quiet. I think it's 44 decibel, and this one I think will go to 42. So I'm going to open this box and see what's inside. I'm gonna take a knife. Some quick knife action, and here we go. I'm not going to install it for you because there will be there's videos that are better made for that, but I will be able to compare with this model that I had before. Knife, dangerous knife, put that here. You can watch into the box. And what do we have here? I think everything. So you have your instruction. You have the bracket. I'm going to open that up, and you will see if I succeeded, but look at how this one was installed. Very quiet. Okay, see you later. So I've removed the top foam, and that are the piece that was inside. Instruction, you got some screws, the remote, some battery, two of those pins for different length, and this is the bracket. Now you can see the unit here in the box. So I will be measuring the hole here, and these are the foam that will go here to make it better. I have removed it from his box, and I was alone. It was possible, but please have a friend to help you, and you will understand the U-shape. You see there's a hole here where the window is going to be. They've included some foam. There's a lot of things in that kit. Very interesting. Let's go back to the installation. Well, that is what the bracket looks like. I have 31.5, the opening of the window. And so I took the long bracket. That was the short one that will not be installed. And one of the on the legs that goes on the building, this fell off down. So I'm going to tape it on the leg. And there's no screw. I intend of installing this unit without screws because my landlord don't want me to make holes. Okay. Now this is the rubber protection that goes on the legs. It fell on both of them, so I will need to tape them to secure it. I just finished install the unit. It was hard, not as easy in the video, but I'm used to that. Now there's the foam, there's a bracket. It's not screwed in the window. Seems to be as solid as it can be. So again, the foam here. As you can see, the window is closed, so it's nice. I'm going to remove this tape here. That's not really important, and we're going to start the unit. Ooh! Is that from the future? That's impressive. And this unit is making a weird sound of shaking. Okay. Don't like that sound. Oh, the sound is gone. The sound is gone. So I don't know at what setting it is. Let's mode. Okay, I'm on the climatization here, air conditioning. It was on automatic. at 22. So that's the sound it's making. I think it's more sound, more noise than I was expecting. I will be testing this. Gonna start it up. Look at it, it's beautiful. Now it's at automatic. Gonna change the speed. Okay. Gonna close it. That's another of my unit, an older one, almost 20 year. And I don't know if you can hear the sound. But it's loud. You're going away. So this was my other that I put now in this room to replace this unit that kind of died. And now it's at its quiet mode. And it's louder. Yes, the other is the new king. Crown the king. Bye-bye.